Let's see what's happening today. Welcome, everybody. Trendsetters. It's been a little bit of reversal since 1st of October, November. There's 3 days inside this pattern. We have this trend line for a potential buy from and a potential sell from. But as it looks, I think in 25 minutes there should be some sort of a reversal for a buy. In this case, I'm looking for this zone. I think I like this one. So I'll look around this point to buy. If price goes down here and I think around somewhere around here, it's potential sales. And we should talk about if it closes above here, then we definitely have a change of character, and we want to buy. And here, potential sales if closed below. Yeah, so I think that should be it. Even this, I can lower it here for potential buys as well, but not liking it because it's so long from November 1st. So basically, that's it. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna look at gold as well. I know people like gold. Gold is same. We've seen here a break of structure of the upside bullish structure in 31 of October, and starting first, it's same on the downtrend. Actually started 31, a very big push to the downside, so very good discount price. Now we have this as a potential resistance now, and I could say that from here the price is showing a little bit of strength because lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now I see here an attempt of making a higher low. So we'll see how this start for this the New York start. New York should open very bullish for this situation, but we'll see it. Yeah, yeah, this is pretty weird to be honest, but I like this zone for potential buys, and I like it closed above the previous resistance, and maybe above here we should do some buys. 2771.6. and I'll do some cells below 36.6. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for this afternoon as well. Let's see the US 30 futures. Pretty much the same as, but not quite. So for here, it's a downtrend starting 18 of October. Yeah, I would say that this should be the appropriate one for the downtrend. And then we see here a try to go up, didn't go well, another lower low, and now it's made a lower, higher high, and then a higher low. So pretty much this is broken. We go for the new one. Mm, yeah, I'm not looking at anything like this. This should be a steady buy. Like this stops here, and now price is same at the same place. Lower risk at the Dow Jones futures than the than NASDAQ, but it's pretty much the same thing. And gold following in a way the trend. So we'll see what's happening in 15 minutes, actually 19 minutes. If it's uh, if it's weakening down and then flipping, then we'll go for a buy. If it's weakening up, then flipping sell, then we're looking for a sell. And we keep the trade just like 30 minutes at most, only a 30 minutes candle, and maybe we'll see what's happening after 30 minutes if we still keep it. But if I get a little bit of more drawdown than I want, I'm gonna close it. But if it goes straight in the same direction, then I'm gonna still keep it on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna tap this liquidity soon. This is all the pattern for me. We're gonna tap this one, but before we tap that one, we should see how it reacts to this zone out here. So I pretty much want it up here, and then even above here to consider it going even further, because we have this resistance out here and this one's out here. Yeah. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. Pretty cold out here. Let's see how will we deal with execution. All right. Okay. Tomorrow, actually, a few day after tomorrow, I think the U.S. Presidential elections are happening, and it seems that the situation stable. And now they know they're not gonna be a change. They're not gonna do nothing different. If anyone is winning, it's same result. It's very hard to recover from a lot of money printing. So I believe, yeah, we're going through rough years. But that's if it's a rough environment for the economy, that doesn't mean it should be a rough environment for you. There's plenty of opportunities and a way to play this situation. Even if it goes on the downside, and even if it goes on the upside, there's still good opportunity going forward. Uh, as you see on descriptions, guys, we trade the prop firm, we trade the instant prop firm, we trade a funded capital from fast track trading. These guys allow you to have like 40 accounts per person plus the LLC, and they give you a lot of leverage, very cheap. So yeah, we'll see how it's going every single day. We're gonna do a live on New York's Open from pre-open to first part of the Open, and we're gonna trade this account and see how we go. See what's the situation. Another 14 minutes out here for the Open. Again, we are looking for a flip, a drop to the downside, and a candle flip for a buy or or price goes up and a candle flip for a sell. I like that it stays above this short accumulation period. So they went up and now it's same place. So we should see a proper reaction for here, either a continuation to the downside on the Open, or either a reversal and breaking these highs out here. So a proper position would be this, and this as a target, the best one. And we're gonna take partials when we go out here or close totally. It's up to you. This for a potential buy and this for a potential sell if it closes below. And I'm gonna take just small risk here. And we'll see the last. This. Exactly. This will be a potential sell. So gold is retracing this 30 minutes. We had a flip, so it went up and now it goes down. This might be a sign that it won't stay up above this 27.53. So we'll see if it stays above or it still continues down. And this was this resistance out here was crucial for this. So we have a potential change of character out here. We started to making higher highs and lower highs. Now we have made a higher high and we should keep the lower. So for a buy, we should never go below this actually. Yeah. We accept the low till there, and then the candle flips and goes by. So here we pretty much have a good risk for buy. If it goes around here, then we keep the risk like this, very tight. and we can have an even bigger reward.
Prea mult.
Depends on the
Știi când o
volume.
tai, știi când o tai, și abia atunci când începi să tai rapid. Și ca...
I have some neighbors with me here.
Eu nu mănânc așa.
So we see a potential flip out here for this candle before you open.
Mai ales calamar de la...
For this would be a little bit early, but not so. We'll see if it closes above here. That's a good sign. It will continue up. If it doesn't, it may still head for the downside.
Să am sos de ăla cum trebuie făcut. Taci.
People are started to go in live, so markets are about to open. It seems like the Dow Jones is breaking the pattern already, so we assume that this will continue as well. Thank you.
Mirosul ăla. Da, măi.
We can have this pattern, or maybe it can be this one, and then it hadn't broken any other patterns. We still look for if it could hit above
Aia nu place. Mi se pare greu aia. Mi se pare foarte greu aia.
above here.
Trebuie să fiarbă jumătate de zi sau cât pula.
So and Q is exactly at the support.
Am auzit, am văzut la...
Another 9 minutes. And then probably another 30. Oh, și o țigară, mă serviți?
Peter Pan, ești
Te
Pan.
rog.
We're live, we'll see.
Ești live cu cine?
Singur.
Hai termin că mi-e frică. Ești putere, hai. Ești putere. Hai mai stai cu ăsta de vorbă și continuăm discuția sus. Sau...
Looks like gold continues below this support we've put, so maybe it wasn't the right one. Maybe we'll keep this one to see if it keeps above. Okay. NASDAQ is breaking the trend line I drew. We'll see how it reacts when it goes to this support. Let's see the 5 minutes. Last two 5 minutes candles. So this is 2 minutes for this one. For a potential buy, it should reverse from here. If it buys it before the open. But I'm not sure, because this is a tricky candle, because it's a reversal candle from an uptrend, and there's still 6 minutes, and it's already 50% retraced, so 50% discount. Yeah, if you wanted to buy when this candle would close, that would be a stupid way of doing things. We should wait for the candle to have some sort of a retracement, and then coming back with a flip, and then buy it. So this is respecting this resistance area. We drew it better the second time, so it headed to this direction, and now it's flipping. So we'll see the 5 minutes is ending in 1 minute, and it's already flipping. The 5 minutes here, it's still dropping. but it's reversing a little as well. So we'll see if it goes for a flip. If it's a flip, then we go for a short entry. So for me, hardest thing in trading is keep consistency and have the same trade every day. So now not much panic. We'll do the flip from the open, or if it doesn't flip, it's just a continuation. So we'll see how it goes. 5 more minutes. The new 5 minute open without a bottom wick, which means the price should drive a little bit lower, but I'm not sure. But it can drive a little bit lower and then reverse the next 5 minutes. The 30 minutes, if it closes like that, then we want either a no wick and a continuation for a buy, either if it opens without a top wick, that would be wonderful. So 5 more minutes into the position, into the New York Open, and I'm trying to figure it out where I should place my limit orders. So GC is going down and Q is going down, but we'll see now this candle if it closes above this closed. So this respected a bullish trend. This one uh, it went for a little bit up, and now it's still in retracement. So when we go for this this support out here, this last resistance out here, and then it turns into a support and retraced and again up. So we hope it keeps it up above this line. And once we know a strategy, it's better to test it a few days, weeks on demo, so you know the feeling and you know the scenarios, and you always risk properly accordingly. Sorry, to the account size you have. So we have a lower low made here, but if we close above this, then we still go up because it's still a high low compared to the bigger picture. So I'm expecting it to close above this line. Even above this first support I've made, that would be great. Buy a signal for me, great confluence. And once the volume is here and we get the flip, we should drive for a while up. We're not trying to predict the market for a longer period of time because I've learned that from past experience that it gets harder and harder to predict more daily candles. One daily candle should be easy. More, I don't know. Then we go into the swing situation, then it should get easier when you get a position for swing. You can get more after, but for daily, I think one position should be right. Gold still respects the second, I think, support I've drawn. One more minute until the market opens. This, don't know which I like the more for a buy. I think this I like more for a buy. Hey there. This is reversing as well. So you should follow the pattern of NQ. Another new candle opened, and it has a bottom wick. So I'm going for a buy. Okay. Stop loss is here. This I don't need. This would be the short stop loss, and then this would be the big one, but don't like the big one. Remember, guys, if this goes south, then I'm gonna end the day. That's better for trading than it is for anything. You wanted to flip, but actually, I think it does. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the long one. I'm actually out. So, yep. Thank you guys so much. That's all for today. So, yeah, this was a better position for me. Gold for buys. But I'm not gonna take another trade. Yep. Thank you much. Thank you very much, everybody. See you the next time. We lost $39. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.